British Tommies are opening up on the field police with their trusty Lee-Enfield bolt-action rifles. And you can see what the commando here is after. He's after this radar installation. Now, radar at this time in the war, very, very important to both armies. The British had developed it, and of course the Germans had their own type of radar as well. Now, if they could actually capture the electronics here, which they're trying to do, this could be actually taken back and analysed and taken back to the boffins, the scientists at Bletchley Park, who obviously the Enigma machine decoded it. Now the Germans have seen these commandos and putting a patrol in to push them back. The commandos have done their work. They've actually stolen the electronics, and looking at it as well, they've planted some explosives into the radar station. Now the explosions haven't gone off straight away because it's probably a delayed fuse. Now that's been placed there to have a delay on it of maybe an hour or two. And the reason for a delayed fuse is the Germans will go in, try and inspect what's happened to the radar station, and then of course the TNT will explode around them. The British did that very effectively. The harbour, when they crashed the boat in at Saint-Nazaire, and there was delayed fuse on that, and it took a lot of Germans with it, and it actually blew up. So, and what the Germans are doing here is using their mortar now to actually mortar the commando position. And this is a heavy mortar, it's 81 millimeters, and that will push shells into the air at about a 2-kilometre range. And they're using their mortars to actually flush out the commandos and push them back. Now the 81 millimeter mortar will have a choice of rounds, high explosive or smoke, and that was used very effectively throughout the war.